So I think I did a dick trab before I took my mom's pill. Before I had three missing parts of my hair. At a different point in time before a Tuesday before June of four of all fours. Before the hospital and before July of four of all fours. After maybe something like a dick a face abs separated from 2015, the 23rd, 24th of May, March, December, July, uh, inside of a box associated with how correlation of my face to a change of elaboration can come to something that means something completely different in a video that associates with how my face is formed outside of something that someone tries to stare at me in one box without existing, saying that I have an issue or an illness that doesn't relate to my social belief on a recording of why I can't record my face after 2009, before people would exist in the 90s, before something from the West in 2015, after elementary, for a hospital in the North in a different year. It doesn't correlate to something in my face and body that they claim is not linked to something on recording that people don't recognize when they try to deform my body and teeth for something that they want to be on recording, claiming that it's not true, that I get shifts in the camera that is not related to that. So that's why when I put something in my mark on my foot before the hospital, after a hotel, after a Tuesday, the only thing left is a different day, a different calendar, a different system that organizes something before I'm aware of my face, outside of a box of those systems and inside a frame of an image that I can't identify, a recorder, a location, an object in this recording, an image in this environment, a place that doesn't exist now, a time that doesn't exist in this area, in a society that doesn't exist, in a city like this one, in a parallelogram or parallel universe of things alike outside of the universe, in a company of organizations of 1,000 cities in 1,000 states with one pentagon, one triangle, one origami, one bull, one wolf, one basketball, because I think I likened a wolf to another animal before. They say when I go over to get my spiritual shift, the first tick, I go for my bottom left and it gets it bright. Then I go for my bottom right nose and it shadows. Then I go and zoom in three times and I should get it brighten up. So if I go to this side, it should get a little bit brighter depending if I could identify the object. And so every time, sometimes there will be a combination if I can't have time to correlate those objects with what is related to how someone says that a recording device is related to my image, but not the process of a collection of devices that have different formats and different months outside of technology that was already before, a passive state of the future that says that the reason why a recording is so necessary is because you could look a certain way. You could record a turtle with a green camera, or record a kangaroo with a wolf's camera, or you could record a property in the north with a device from the south camera, and it would relate to information in that property that's not in the state that someone tries to identify someone in that video, claiming that it's not a property of state of things in recording in that device that doesn't have association outside of that location of awareness or presence that is not separated from the sound of my voice, outside from an object in this video or an object outside of the frame of this time.